In this video, we are going to use the firm work queue to decide what needs attention first. First, we will read all 5 tabs: Ready, Checks, Posted, Client Requests, and Pending. Then we will work one held check. We will finish with a broken bank connection. Let's start by opening Fast Coding. Now look at the Ready tab. This is the firm list of companies with bank feed work available now. The summary at the top shows 3 totals: Ready, Coded, and Needs Code. The company table repeats those counts by workspace. Each company row ends in a button. A review button means the company has coded rows ready for a person to check. A code button means at least one row still needs an account. Cleared companies drop off this list. The Ready tab is current work, not the firm's complete client list. When the list is empty, the coding is done. Now let's look at the 5 tabs. The Ready tab holds normal bank feed coding and review work. The Checks tab is visible next to Ready. Select it to open the firm's check queue. The Posted tab is visible next to Checks. Select it to open Posted activity. The Client Requests tab is visible next to Posted. Select it to open the firm request queue. The Pending tab is the last tab in the row. Select it to open pending activity. For the morning review, we start with the Client Requests tab, then the Ready tab, then the Checks tab. The Pending tab is a status check. The Posted tab is where we confirm completed feed work. First, open Client Requests. An answered request can unblock a transaction immediately. Review those before assigning new coding work. Now switch to Blue Harbor Dental. In the firm request list, read the company, subject, state badges, age, and follow-up date before opening a request. Next, open Harbor and Pine Studio. The visible rows show Needs Firm, Tally Working, Waiting on Client, and Follow-up Due States. Use the state badge to choose the next step. This second request is still waiting on the client. Leave it open and move on. The status already tells the team what it is waiting for. Next, return to the Ready tab. Start with a review company. Most of its rows already have accounts. That work may be ready to finish. Select Review, then open the Warnings filter before posting the coded group. If the warnings count as 0, review the coded filter and post the supported rows. In Sandbox Plaid, a non-zero warnings count means each warning row must be opened and resolved before posting. Return from Sandbox Plaid to Harbor Lane Interiors. The Needs Code count is 1, so open that filter and work the uncoded row next. A held check stays in the queue until the evidence is strong enough to support the payee and account. On a held check, verify the company, bank register, check number, date, and amount. When statement processing recovers a payee or memo, compare that result with the statement image before selecting an account. After the evidence supports the treatment, open the account selector and choose the Ledger account. Finally, review the support and selected account. Then select Post. If the payee or purpose is still unknown, leave the account blank. The check stays in the queue until the firm gets support. Pending groups the rows that are not ready for action, the companies represented, and the combined amount. Now we are inside Sandbox Plaid on the Evergreen Checking Bank Feeds page. The Pending tab shows 2 rows marked Pending at Bank, meaning the institution has not settled them yet. Post All Coded is visible as a page-level control, but these 2 rows say Waiting for Bank Posting. They are not ready for coding or posting until the bank settles them. Now open the Posted tab. Sandbox Plaid shows 2 posted rows, 1 rule match, and a net amount of negative $141.25. Demo Cloud Service posted $55 to software subscriptions with Tally as the source. Demo Supply posted $86.25 to office supplies from a rule. Posted confirms the ledger result. Reconciliation remains separate under recs and statements. The last queue problem starts inside Sandbox Plaid. On bank feeds, the red banner says Demo Community Bank needs to be reconnected before new transactions can sync. Select Text Client. Bank links route to the company owner or to the bank connect owner when one is assigned. The dialog currently says Chase Business Checking, while the prior banner named Demo Community Bank. Treat this as a separate dialog example. Verify the institution and account before sending the secure Reconnect link. Then add a short note. Use Reconnect when the authorized person can complete the bank login directly. The Plaid example shows a different sample connection at First Platypus Bank, so it demonstrates the account selection step rather than the same broken bank. After the account is selected, LedgerHQ opens the mapping step. For a reconnect, choose the existing register before saving the mapping. After the authorized person finishes the bank login and the account mapping is correct, return to bank feeds. This healthy example is North Star Creative Workshop with First Platypus Bank. There is no reconnect banner, and the feed shows a last update of August 3rd. That is the state to confirm after reconnecting. That is the firm queue. Answer client requests first. Review coded work. Code the remaining rows. Handle the supported checks. Use the Pending tab as a status view. Use the Posted tab to confirm the result. In the next video, we will bring in a bank statement and complete the reconciliation.